Drake, I have a question. Di ba you know the kiddie meal? You know the kiddie meal sa, sa Jollibee? Kiddie meal. Yung may toys.
Pet Simulator X?
Ah?
Pet Simulator X po.
Opo. Yung, di ba may kiddie meal sa Jollibee? May kiddie meal din sa... May kiddie meal ba sa McDo?
Opo.
Oh, McDo. Bakit walang adult meal?
What?
Bakit walang adult meal? Eh, may kiddie meal naman.
It's for cats?
What?
Is it for cats?
What do you mean?
You said kitty meal.
Kiddie meal. Kiddie. Kiddie for kids meal. Bakit walang adult meal?
I don't know.
For you lang. Your opinion.
I don't.
Bakit tinawag na corn beef? Eh, wala naman siyang corn. Beef lang.
I don't know your question.
Hindi ka maintindihan Tagalog. Oh, this one. Why is it joke is nakakatawa?
Is it a joke? I don't know.
Is it a joke? Yes, because it's a joke. Why is it highway is not high?
That is high.
Oo.
That's because it's high. And ours can go up.
Oh, okay. Drake, pag yung people ba yung tao is sad, pwede ba siyang bumili ng Happy Meal?
No.
Why?
He's still sad if he still buy a Happy Meal.
Why? Is it, it's a Happy Meal.
Corny joke.
Ah?
It's a corny joke.
Ah, it's a corny joke. This one. Why is it the egg? Di ba yung egg meron siyang, yung sunny side up? Ah, ano kayong tawag doon? Oh, may egg yolk siya. Why is it you want egg? Yung tawag doon is yung itlog na red or pula? Eh, yellow naman siya.
It's yellow.
Kaya nga, bakit sabi red?